Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video, as you've seen in the title, I will be doing a Sunburst granny square. It's a really quick tutorial, very easy, not hard to follow. Thank you guys for tuning in, and let's get into it. So I'm going to be using my 4mm crochet hook, and I'm going to use these 3 yarns for this tutorial. You can do as many rounds as you want. I believe I only did 3 rounds, but you can definitely add another round if you would like a bigger granny square. Yeah, so we're going to get our first color of choice. I chose this orange color. It's really bright. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but it's really bright. Then I'm going to make a magic circle. I feel like everyone knows how to make a magic circle, but I will go slow so you guys can see what I'm doing. And here you guys can see what I'm doing to make the magic circle. You can make a magic circle however you like, but this is how I'm doing it. Either way is very easy. And then you're just going to put 12 double crochets inside the magic circle and then slip stitch. So very basic instructions for the whole tutorial, nothing crazy. I know it's bright, but all I'm doing is putting in 12 double crochets inside the magic circle. So that's all you have to do. And then you're going to slip stitch when you're done. Yes, my yarn is on the floor. This is my house, my carpet. And I'm just doing this for tutorial purposes. So whatever's comfortable for me, I will be doing. If anybody would like to know, I don't know. I see a lot of tutorials tell people, or videos rather. Most of my tutorials are done through my phone camera. Sometimes I do it with my regular camera, but majority of my videos are done with my phone camera. So you do not need no special camera to do tutorials. If you're a new YouTuber or a crochet artist that want to do YouTube, I'm letting you know right now. All I'm doing is using my phone. So what I'm doing right here is making sure I have 12 granny squares, and then I'm going to slip stitch into the first double crochet, as you guys can see, and then I'm going to go under the first double crochet, then slip stitch and chain 1, cut the yarn and grab my next color, as you guys can see right here. So after that, I'm going to be using the brown color, and you're going to see that in a moment. Just showing you guys what the circle looks like. I was noticing that because I had the flash on, it looked lighter and darker. So I turned the flash off for the remainder of this video. If the color was looking a little off or you couldn't see, magic circle, 12 double crochets in the magic circle. That's all I did for the first round. So it's not hard to follow. Okay, so after, like I said, you're just going to go back into where you made the first double crochet, and you're going to put your hook in there where you had slip stitch into. That's all I'm showing you guys right here. So just go inside of the first double crochet, and then you're going to put 12 treble crochet clusters. So you're going to add your new yarn. You're going to chain 3. And this is going to act as your first treble crochet. So 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to yarn over twice. Go under into the same space. Yarn over again. Pull through 2. And then you're going to pull through 2 again. And we're leaving that because we're making clusters. So yarn over again. Under. Pull through 2. Pull through 2. And that's how you make the cluster. There's going to be 3 left on the hook for this one. Chain 2. And then you're going to start your next cluster, which is going to be 3 more treble crochets. So go into the next stitch and you're going to do 1 treble crochet, then you're going to do another treble crochet, which is really easy to make. I go slow so I can show you guys what I'm doing. Another one, yarn over twice, go under, pull up a loop, go again through 2. You're gonna have 4, and then you're gonna pull through all of them and chain 2. So basically you're making 12 of these. I really just wanted to show you guys how to do it. If anyone didn't know how to make a treble crochet, it's really, really easy. The first time you're gonna have only 3 left on your 3 hoops left on your hook. For the remainder of the treble clusters, sorry, I can't speak, clusters, you're going to have 4. And that's only because we did a double crochet for our first treble crochet. No, what am I talking about? We did a chain 3 as our first treble crochet. So that's why it was 3 hoops on the hook. 3 hoops on the hook. I can't talk for some reason. 3 hoops on the hook the first time. But you guys saw what I did, so you understand what I mean. So don't get confused by me stumbling over my words because I don't understand why. Low-key tired, but I wanted to get this tutorial out for you guys. I've been meant to get this tutorial out. So yeah, that's basically what I'm doing. And at a point, it's gonna look. Okay, so after you've made your 12 treble crochet clusters with the chain 2, you're going to insert your hook wherever you want to. It really doesn't matter. And you're going to put your new color on. Excuse my toddler. We already know the deal. She's going to make noise. So you're going to chain 3, and that's going to act as your first double crochet. Then you're going to make a corner. So we know that we're going to do initially 3 double crochets, chain 2, and then 3 double crochets in one space. So that's what you're going to see me doing here. I did my 3, I chained 2, and then I'm going to do 3 more double crochets. In the next 2 spaces, I'm going to only do 3 double crochets in each space. So you're going to see what I'm talking about once I get there. So 1 space, just 3 double crochets, which initially would be the side instead of a corner. And then the next space, I'm just putting 3 double crochets again. And then we're going to work on another corner. So we're going to put 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets, like we did for the first corner. And basically that's going to be the pattern all the way around for the 3rd row. And once you're done with that, you're basically done with your granny square, sunburst granny square. But I'm going to show you guys all the way until the end for everyone that's just now learning. This is a very easy tutorial. If you didn't understand something, please leave a comment and let me know. And yeah, that's basically it. This is really an easy tutorial. It's a fast tutorial. There's plenty of ways you can do the sunburst granny square. It's totally up to you how you want to do it, but if you want to learn an easy way, this is an easy way for you. You're just going to continue making your corners and your sides. Initially, you should only have 4 corners and 4 sides. So if you want to do a 4th row, you can also do a 4th row the same way. You're going to make your corners and you're going to make your sides. And basically that's it for this tutorial. So I'm just going to let you guys watch me finish up. And then at the end, I will show you what it looks like. Please be sure to subscribe. Make sure you like and leave me a comment and some feedback. I love feedback, whether it's good or bad. I just want to get better as a crochet artist and helping other people learn how to crochet because it's very easy. And I always get stopped outside like, oh, it's really nice, really nice. I want to learn how to crochet. I want to learn how to crochet. And I tell them, hey, watch my YouTube. Let me know how I'm doing. If it's easy to follow, let me know. But no one ever leaves a comment. So please let me know how I'm doing. And basically, yeah, this tutorial is done. Thank you guys for watching.